Instagram just changed forever, because now ChatGPT can literally live inside your DMs, meaning you can have full conversations with followers, answer their questions, and even close sales while you sleep. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I set it up step by step. I'll even give you a real examples of how I use this system to generate leads and build relationships on autopilot. So stick around, because if you're not using this yet, you're failing behind. You've probably seen tools like ManyChat before. They let you set up automated replies when someone DMs you or comments a keyword like info. But here's the problem. Until now, bots feel robotic. They gave generic templated answers that didn't sound like you. And that's why people dropped off and why chatbot marketing never fully hit its potential. But now ChatGPT changed the game. Instead of robotic replies, it responds more like a real human because of it. Empathy, tone, context, all dialed in. And that's the difference between someone ignoring your DM and someone feeling like they're having a real conversations with you. So let me walk you through exactly how to set this up. Step number 1. Create a trigger in ManyChat. For example, someone DMs you the word pricing or color grading. This tells ManyChat to start the automation. Step number 2. Collect the user's response. So if you ask what's your biggest struggle with editing, ManyChats wait for them to reply. And then step number 3, send that response to ChatGPT. And here's where the magic happens. Inside ManyChat, you create an action ChatGPT request. You pass their message into ChatGPT with your custom prompt. And then step number 4, write the perfect prompt. For example, you're a straight-talking creative coach who feels more like a friend than a mentor. Speak in 1 or 2 punchy sentences, warm, real, and easy to connect with. Your job is to notice their struggle, show you actually get it, and drop a perspective that makes them not, yeah, that's true. No fluff, no cliches, no motivational posters. Write like you would text a close friend, natural, a little raw if needed, and always human. And this exactly ensures your AI replies sound like you. And then step number 5, save the response in the custom field. Now ManyChat stores ChatGPT's reply so it can be used later in the conversations. And next, step number 6, send the AI generated reply back as a DM. And just like that, the follower feels like they're chatting with you in real time. And once you've got this working, here is how to scale it. 1. Lead capture. Instead of just chatting, capture emails. For example, I can send you my full tutorial. Drop your email here and I'll send it over. 2. Segmentation. Tag users based on their struggles. For example, people struggling with editing versus people asking about pricing. You can segment these 2 groups for different places. And 3. Follow-up. Send them into an email sequence with Kit, ConvertKit or MailerLite. And 4. Sales funnel. From here you can upsell courses, services, or even coaching. And the beauty of this, it all starts with a DM that feels personal. For now, I would ask this question: why does this crash? Because DMs are personal. People open them 5x more than emails. And when it feels like you are actually talking to them, that builds trust instantly. And that trust is what converts into sales. So that's how ChatGPT and Instagram DMs can generate sales you on autopilot. And if you want my exact prompts and templates, drop a comment saying automate and I'll share the full tutorial in my next video. And if you don't want to miss it, hit subscribe button now, because AI isn't the future of social media marketing. It's already here.